Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So in this module we're going to discuss about belongs to, not belongs to. So what is this is belongs to? This is not belongs to. So belongs to is nothing but what is that is it is there the elements. So let's take set X. In that C1, 2, A, 3, D are there. Outside to set SE 10Z. So let's take set 1, 2, 3, A, C, D. So these elements are arranged in immaterial. So what is meant by immaterial is these all elements we can arrange in any manner. So we are arranged in X is like that. You can arrange like 1A, C, D, 2, 3 also. Or you can arrange like A, 1, 2, 3, C, D also. Anything. These are all called immaterial elements. So each one is called element separated with commas inside. Immaterial means anywhere you can arrange. Then, so this is the set of X. Then I want to say one in set X or not. So one in set X or not. Yes, one is there in set X. For that what you'll write is 1 belongs to set X. 1 belongs to set X. 2 is there or not. So 2 belongs to set X. Why? Because 2 is there here in the set X. Belongs to X you want to write. Then set name you have to write. First elements. Then you have to write belongs to. Then you have to set name. So belongs to means it's showing that the elements which is there in the set here. Then what you can write here is next one. So here 3 belongs to X or not. Yes. 10 belongs to X or not. 10 is outside of set. 10 is not there in the set X. For that what you have to write is 10 is not belongs to set X. For that not belongs to 10 not belongs to X you have to write. So it is not there in X. Then Z belongs to X or not. Z also not there. It's outside to X. That is also not belongs to X. Then what you can write remaining E belongs to X or not. No, it's not belongs to X. So like that we have to write belongs to, not belongs to elements. First you have to write the elements, then we have to write belongs to or not belongs to X. Then our next one, that is most important concept. What is that is write natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then you write next one is integers. So what is that? -2, -3, 0, 1, 3, 5 like that. Any elements you can write. Then again what is there? Integers after rational numbers. That is P by Q format. 1 by 2, 1 by 1, 2 by 3, 5 by 7 like that. Next rational numbers will going to represent with capital Q. Then irrational numbers. Irrational numbers will going to represent with Q dash. So that is not in the format of P by Q. That is irrational number set of square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, square root of 5 by square root of 2 like that. Then finally what is there is real numbers. So real numbers that will be represented with capital R. So real numbers is a set of all. Real numbers is a set of all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and like that. So now we are going to write for this one figure. So what is that is, write first set natural numbers. This is natural number set. So natural numbers, all the elements are there in W or not. Then for this what you can write, N belongs to W. So outside to set natural numbers you write one thing like this. So what is that? This is whole numbers. So all natural numbers presented in whole numbers or not? Yes. Then all whole numbers will be presented in integers or not? Then what you can write? W belongs to I. So all W belongs to I. So what you can write is, the set which are there in whole numbers, all will be presented in integers. All integers you can write in the format of rational numbers or not? Yes, all the integers will be there. Then I will belongs to Q. I will belongs to Q. Then what you can write here is Q. What is that? So Q, it is there. All the elements which are there in integers, that will be there in rational numbers. Irrational numbers is nothing but which will not be there in, separate set. That is, let's take that is separate set. So write separate set like this, Q dash, separate set, which will not related with this all the sets. So then what you can say, this all the Q dash is belongs to real numbers. So Q dash is belongs to real numbers. So all these sets, what you can say is, all the sets, this all sets will be belongs to, this all sets will be belongs to real numbers. Then what you can write? Finally, what you can write here is, natural numbers belongs to W. W, whole numbers belongs to integers. Integers belongs to rational numbers. For all this you can write is, natural numbers belongs to whole numbers, whole number belongs to integers, integers belongs to rational numbers, and this rational numbers belongs to real numbers, that one. Then irrational numbers, Q dash, also belongs to real numbers. Real numbers is a combination of rational and irrational numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.